Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to break line in Google Sheets. So let's say I have this longer text, I will select it and copy it to Google Sheets very simply. Now, when I copy it, as you can see, it is over the whole table and I don't really want that. I want to break a line right next to it. So what would I do is to click on it and then go at the end of, so let's say this text. So I will go at this text and hold Command and Enter. And now press the down arrow, go to the next of the typesetting. As you can see, you should see it somewhere. Typesetting and then Command Enter. Now go to the end of has been, find where it is, down arrow, and simply Command Enter. And you should do that again, so dummy, down arrow, Command Enter. It is really simple to break line. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.